how to enable or disable console sharing on PS5. So whether you want to turn on or turn off your console sharing option on your PlayStation 5 console, it's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, on the PlayStation 5 home screen here, you want to press up on the D-pad or your left stick to get to the top part of the screen. Then scroll along to get the top right where it says Settings. Click X on Settings. Then you're going to want to scroll to Users and Accounts. In the Users and Accounts section, you're going to want to go down until you see the section where it says this one here, Other. Then you want to click on console sharing and offline play, and depending on whether you want to enable or disable, you can go ahead and do that here. So for me, it's already enabled, as you can see. So if we're disabled, click on that. If it's disabled, all that will be in replace the disable button will be enable, and then you'll be able to do it. So whichever way, that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.